So you want to build an impressive watch collection, but you don't want to blow your budget? Get in line, buddy. I think we're all in the same position. I mean, right now I have exactly $2 to my name. This episode's brought to you by the Time Teller Shop. Please go shop over there and, please. But jokes aside, there used to be watch brands like Seiko that would offer us absolute spec monsters for not a lot of money. Now, those days are long gone. I mean, it's 2024, and now if you find an interesting Seiko, it's probably going to be at or above the $1,000 range. So fuck Seiko. Here's how to build an entire Swiss-made watch collection for under $500 each. That's 5 Swiss watches for under $2,500 total. It is 8:50 a.m. Let's get down to business. So for this Swiss watch collection, we're going to be having a dress watch, a dive watch, a dedicated tool watch, an everyday watch, and a chronograph. Now, if you're interested in just how to build the perfect watch collection in general, I recently made an episode about 7 watch collection essentials. Go ahead, watch that episode, and find out how to build the perfect watch collection. First up, when it comes to dress watches, Swiss-made dress watches, you should have something that's elegant, refined, kind of sophisticated, and functional. Here's where I choose the Tissot Le Locle. Now, this watch has the very, very prolific Powermatic 80 movement, giving you that 80-hour power reserve. Just incredible functionality and wearability here. Beautiful guilloche dial. They have a white dial and black dial variant. Here I'm choosing the white dial. Very, very clean and again, refined, elegant. I love the Roman numerals, and you're getting a date complication. So this is a watch you could wear every day. And again, it's just very functional. But what about a dive watch? You know, when we think about dive watches, a lot of these spec monsters happen to be Asian, like whether it be a micro brand or like a Citizen ProMaster. Man, those Citizen ProMaster 37s were insane. But for today's video, we are making a Swiss-made watch collection, which means we need a Swiss-made diver. Here comes the Glycine Combat Sub. This one's the 42 mil, and I really, really like the blue dial, blue bezel here. There is some faux patination. People will maybe dislike that, but I'm a huge fan of it. I think the contrast is really nice with that deep blue. You're getting a date complication. You're getting a 200-meter water resistance rating with that threaded crown, and it's a Swiss-made automatic. So we have a dress watch for the more elegant occasions. We have a diver for, you know, some sporty activities. But what about a tool watch? You're getting your hands dirty, you need something tough that you don't have to baby. The Victorinox Alliance Inox. Now, they do make an automatic version of this, but if I'm gonna pick this watch, I want it to be like totally bomb-proof. Like I could knock it around and not have to worry about a mechanical movement. And that's why this quartz option not only fits in our budget, but is totally functional for its job in the collection. This is a tough, durable, robust, overbuilt tool watch. 43 millimeters, 200-meter water resistance rating. You are getting an offset date window, but it's acceptable in this case. Really chunky crown guards, just a watch that you can bang around and not have to worry about. Now for an everyday watch. I want something that's not oversized, not overstated. In fact, I'd prefer something kind of understated and simple. And that's where the Mundane Classic comes in. And I'm choosing the Deep Ocean Blue. Now, this is named the Deep Ocean Blue, but it's not at all a nautical watch. This watch has a 36mm stainless steel case, only 7.5 millimeters thin, hardened mineral crystal with a Ronda quartz. And listen, I'm not typically into this minimalist, almost Bauhausy look, but with Mundane, I'm just a big fan of their watches. So we have a dress watch, we have a dive watch, we have a tool watch, and an everyday watch. But what about something with a complication? I want a Swiss-made chronograph, but I don't want to spend that much money on it. Check out this Alpina Star Timer Pilot chronograph. This is quartz, 44 millimeters, 100-meter water resistance rating, sapphire crystal, I don't think I mentioned this, but it does have a threaded crown. This is an incredibly functional watch, has a really cool, almost military look to it. This is a very, very underrated Swiss watchmaker. It has a big date at the 6 o'clock, and you're getting this watch for under $400. It's just insane. So there you have it, guys. We've built a very impressive, very well-rounded Swiss watch collection for under $2,500 total. This goes to show you that you don't have to rely on the brands that we used to rely on, because times are changing. It doesn't mean you have to break the bank to get something really cool. So let me know, what watch would you add to your Swiss watch collection? Again, each piece has to be under $500 and under $2,500 total. Let me know what you think. I'll catch you on the next episode, guys. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay blessed. I'm Jory Goodman, the Time Teller, and always remember, I didn't invent time. I just tell it.